friend, if you're here, I'm guessing email marketing has felt a little messy. You want to be consistent. You know your email list could be making more sales. But between planning, writing, and actually sending, it's overwhelming. And you're stuck wondering, what should I send this week? Am I emailing too much or not enough? Do my emails even matter? I get it, because I've been there too. That's exactly why I created the e-commerce email rhythm playbook, a simple, repeatable system designed specifically for product-based business owners like you. It's not about sending more emails. It's about sending the right ones at the right time with way less stress. Inside, you'll get the full rhythm I use with clients to grow sales, nurture buyers, and build trust, all by sending just 2 emails a week, one on Tuesday and one on Friday. Plus a simple promo every 6 weeks. No guesswork, no scrambling, just a clear rhythm that works. When you enroll, here's exactly what you'll get. A step-by-step breakdown of my proven weekly rhythm, training on how to brainstorm content that actually serves your buyers, a plug-and-play email calendar so you always know what to send next in Google, done-for-you frameworks for promotions that don't rely on big discounts, and a metrics tracker that shows you what's working so you can reuse it again next quarter. You'll go from feeling unsure and inconsistent to knowing exactly how to show up for your audience every single week in a way that feels aligned and doable. Because here's the truth. Most e-commerce business owners give up on email, not because it doesn't work, but because they're trying to wing it every week. And that leads to burnout, silence, and missed revenue. This playbook removes that overwhelm. You'll finally have a content rhythm that you can stick to, even on your busiest weeks, because it works with your schedule, not against it. So if you're ready to stop second guessing your emails, if you want a clear plan, you can rinse and repeat each quarter. And if you're ready to build a revenue driving list that runs in the background of your business, then the e-commerce email rhythm playbook is waiting for you inside. This isn't just a training. It's your new system. It's going to become the center of your entire content engine. And once you set it up, email marketing becomes the easiest, highest ROI task in your business, and dare I say, fun. So take a breath. You don't need to do more. You just need a rhythm. Let's get you out of guessing and into consistent, confident action. So click below to enroll and let's build your email rhythm together. See you on the inside.